Word problem on age, and the question is this: 2 years ago my age was 4.5 times the age of my son. 6 years ago my age was twice the square of the age of my son. What is present age of my son? This is the question, right? Now what do we have to find in this sum? The present age of my son. Only one question is asked, and since only one question is asked, we can take that as x. So how we start? Let present age of my son be x years. We will understand this sum with the help of a table. First column will write the different ages, and the second column will be my son's age, and third column will be my age, right? So first is present age. Present age of my son, we have assumed it as x years. Now 2 years ago, age 2 years ago, today's son is x years old. His age 2 years ago will be how much? X minus 2 years. And in the first line it is said 2 years ago my age was 4.5 times the age of my son. 2 years ago my age was means is equal to 4.5 times the age of my son, and age of my son is x minus 2. So it becomes 4.5 into x minus 2. Now 4.5 is a mixed fraction. Let us make it a proper fraction. So it becomes 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 2 into x minus 2, right? So this is my age 2 years ago, right? Now 6 years ago my age was twice the square of the age of my son. Now let us consider the age 6 years ago. Age 6 years ago. My son's age. Today my son is x years old. His age 6 years ago is how much? X minus 6. Right? 6 years ago my age was twice the square of the age of my son. So my age was how much? Twice matlab 2 into square of the age of my son. Square of the age of my son means x minus 6 the whole square, right? So this is my age 6 years ago, right? Now 2 years ago my age is 9 upon 2 into x minus 2. So can you tell what is my present age? 2 years ago, if this is my age, 9 upon 2 into x minus 2. So my present age will be what? 9 upon 2 into x minus 2, the age 2 years ago, plus 2. Yes or no? So my present age will be 9 upon 2 into x minus 2 plus 2. Similarly, 6 years ago, if my age is 2 into x minus 6 the whole square, what will be my present age? Present age will be my age 6 years ago plus 6, isn't it? So my present age will be 2 into x minus 6 the whole square plus 6. And since, can you see that both are my present age only? And since the first one and the second one both are my present age, so both the present ages are equal, right? So how we can form the equation? 9 upon 2 into x minus 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 into x minus 6 the whole square plus 6, right? Now let us try to solve the equation. 9 upon 2 into x minus 2, let us take all the terms to the left side, minus 2 into x minus 6 the whole square, plus 2 minus 6 is equals to 0, right? Now 9 upon 2 into x minus 2, minus 2 into x minus 6 the whole square, plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 is equal to 0. Multiplying throughout by 2, let us get rid of the denominator. What we get is 9 into x minus 2, minus 2 into 2 is 4 into x minus 6 the whole square, minus 2 into 4 is 8 is equals to 0 into 2 is 0, right? Now let us open the brackets. What we get is 9 into x is 9x minus 18 minus 4 into, we'll have to open the brackets using a minus b the whole square formula, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it becomes x square minus 2 into x into 6 will be 12x plus 6 square 36 minus 8 is equal to 0. Again opening the brackets, 9x minus 18 minus 4x square, minus into minus becomes plus, 4 into 12 becomes 48x, minus into plus becomes minus, 4 into 36 becomes 144, minus 8 is equal to 0. Now let us add the like terms. So what we get is minus 4x square, 9x plus 48x becomes plus 57x, and then minus 18 minus 144 and minus 8, if you add all of them, you will get minus 170 is equals to 0, right? Let us write it like a proper quadratic equation. Multiplying throughout by minus 1, we'll get it 4x square minus 57x plus 170 is equal to 0. 3 terms are there. Let us try to solve it by factorization, that is splitting the middle term, right? Last number 170 is multiplied with the first number. 170 into 4 will give you 680. Let us do the prime factorization of 680, right? Now 680 is an even number. Let us divide it by 2. 2 340s are, then 2 170s are, 2 85s are. Now 2 won't divide 5. 17s are, and 17 is a prime number. 17 ones are is 17. Now how to group, we all know that. The biggest number we always keep it separate and multiplying all the others and then finding 1 combination. The last sign here is plus, isn't it? The last sign is plus. Plus means adding the 2 factors of 680, we should get that middle number. Middle number is 57, right? Now the group that works out in this sum is 17 is 1 and multiplying all the others. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. 40 and 17 if you multiply you will get 680. 40 and 17 if you add you will get that 57 also. So the factors that work out for this sum is 40 and 17. So 40 plus 17 is 57, right? So the factors of 680 are 40 and 17. Let us give signs to the factors. Last sign is plus, so middle sign goes to both the factors. So both of them will be negative, minus 40, minus 17. So what we get is 4x square minus 40x minus 17x plus 170 is equal to 0. Now let us take common out of the first two. We can take out 4x common. What stays inside the bracket is x minus 10. Whatever is the sign of the third term, that sign also goes out. From the next two we can remove 17 common. What stays inside the bracket is x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 goes out common throughout into 4x minus 17 is equal to 0. So we get x minus 10 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 17 is equals to 0. So we can get the value of x is equals to 10 or x is equals to 17 upon 4. 4x is equal to 17, the next step we will get the value of x. X is equals to 10 or x is equals to 17 upon 4. Now two values of x we got and both are my son's present age. Both of them are positive, so both of them appear to be acceptable. Now let us see as per the conditions of our problem if both of them are acceptable. Now this 10 seems to be acceptable, but this 17 upon 4, let us see whether it is really acceptable. Let us take this 17 upon 4. If x is equals to 17 upon 4, my son's age 6 years ago, how much is that? X minus 6. Can you see that? My son's age 6 years ago is x minus 6. Right? Now in this place of x, we'll put the value of x. Value of x is 17 upon 4. So 17 upon 4 minus 6 you will get. And if you take the LCM, it will be 17 minus 24 upon 4, which is nothing but minus 7 upon 4. So if x is 17 upon 4, my son's age 6 years ago becomes negative, which is not acceptable. So what we can say, if x is equal to 17 upon 4, my son's age 6 years ago becomes negative. So x is not equal to 17 upon 4. So which value of x is acceptable? Hence x is 10. But what is x? The present age of my son. So we can conclude the sum. Therefore the present age of my son is 10 years. That completes this question. Thank you.